Hello everyone, this is Megha, co-founder of True Weight, and today I'm talking to Mrs. Nanda. She's been with us since December 2019, and I would like her to introduce herself. And Nanda, please tell us about yourself and about your True Weight experience.
My name is Nanda Sonavne. I'm a
Mhm.
housewife and
Mhm.
mother of a 16-year-old son. So
Mhm.
actually, I joined this program, dieting, all that things, but it didn't work actually. And I
Mhm.
was gaining it. It was bouncing back double. So
Mhm.
that was a very big issue for me because I was getting health issues. Like I have
Mhm.
rheumatoid arthritis. Then
Okay.
because of my weight, I was very less energetic. I was not
Mhm.
having interest in doing anything.
Mhm.
So I thought, okay, it will not work if I do like this. If I keep on gaining weight, I do myself. So I was just thinking of joining some program. I
Mhm.
went to dietitians also. I followed their programs also, but
Mhm.
dietitian's plan was very difficult for me to follow
Mhm.
because all of a sudden you just have to cut everything, eat what they tell you. So it is not actually because you
Mhm.
follow it for a time, for whatever time period you follow it, and then when you leave it you get back the weight.
Mhm.
So I was not knowing what now, but then as I watch YouTube issues, recipes, whatever it is,
Mhm.
then I saw your ad. I
Mhm.
saw your ad also in Hindustan Times paper. I saw your ads,
Mhm.
so I read that, and I came to know that you provide superfoods also during the plan. So I said, before I was thinking कि healthy diet is very difficult to make,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
what is healthy diet, how to make it, what is there in it.
Mhm.
So I
Mhm.
didn't have any idea of that. So when I saw your ad, I
Mhm.
liked it because I
Okay.
knew I will get this ready to eat foods and superfoods. So that would
Mhm.
be for me to start. So
Mhm.
then I just called and everything just went smoothly. I joined your program and now I'm getting your kits also. But during this lockdown, there is a problem. But beside that, everything I'm getting. So it is very easy for me. Like for breakfast, you provide so many things. So I can eat. It's ready to eat. I just have to cut vegetables and add to that. Nothing else. And other food like chilas, then you have some sprout salad, you tell,
Mhm.
and idli dosa. So that is
Mhm.
very easy.
Mhm.
When I didn't join this program, I was eating like four, even five idlis because I didn't know the portion control. If I'm hungry, if I feel I want to eat and my stomach is not full, then I will have five idlis also. But now portion has gone to two, so I don't
Okay.
eat more than. So
But
that
you
is how.
must be eating something else along with the idli. That's why it's two, right? You're eating something else
Yeah,
along
yeah,
with the
yeah.
idli. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was only carb. My carb intake so much, I think.
Mhm.
It was,
Mhm.
but after
Mhm.
joining COVID, it has, I think, reduced to 70%.
Mhm.
70%, I feel so. Because the munching part, when you
Mhm.
snack, when you eat something,
Mhm.
when you are hungry, that time you
Mhm.
tend to eat unhealthy food,
Yes.
which is high in carb actually. So
Mhm.
I didn't had any idea because if I'm eating snack, it is a small portion. But I know it is
Mhm.
only that, and I'm going to gain weight if I eat that.
Mhm.
So I didn't know that before, but now because of you, I know what is right, what to eat, what to avoid,
Mhm.
and these things. So now I have
Mhm.
sprout or dry fruits. That
Mhm.
too, 4 to 5 dry fruits,
Mhm.
almond, not a handful of the
Mhm.
dry fruits, or some fruit. If I'm
Mhm.
hungry, I take fruits, dry fruits, sprout, salad, and yeah, this kind of things. Yeah, digestive biscuit, not more than two.
Okay, great. So what you're saying is that since the TrueWeight program, you've started eating a more balanced in a more balanced way, more nutritious way, right?
Yeah, yeah, of
Right.
course.
So can you tell me about your health issues? You briefly mentioned them. Like what were the health issues that you faced before joining the program?
Actually, I have reflux problem.
Okay.
Actually, I feel I take so much of stress, no? So I'm always down,
Mm-hmm.
negative. Not down. I'm not down. I
Mm-hmm.
was down. I
Okay.
was negative. Really, that
Mm-hmm.
is that is a fact. That my son's exams were on head. He was in head. So I
Mm-hmm.
was very stressed because I have
Mm-hmm.
behind him all the time and managing other my jobs, household work, or other things. So it was very difficult. So I was not getting proper sleep. I used to sleep, you won't believe, at night around 2, 3. Sometimes I didn't sleep whole night. This was
Wow.
my problem. I was not getting
Yeah.
I was not getting didn't sleep at all. I just had 1 or 2 hours sleep, and then become early morning because my son is going to school. So that was a big issue, but I didn't know that is a big problem in my gaining weight. I didn't know that. So that was reflux is the other problem. So I always had this acidity problem, heartburning, and used to have that also. And rheumatoid arthritis I do have. So when I used to wake up early in the morning, I couldn't step down directly. Pain was so much in my
Okay.
foot, especially burning and pain. It was so much. So I don't know, but now it is not there. Really
Wow.
not there.
Very nice.
Really, 80% it has gone.
Mhm.
Has gone. And reflux, yeah, I do get that problem, but not too much. Maybe when I eat something wrong or my timings are not proper, then I feel, because I have observed that, then I get this
Okay.
reflux problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Besides that, I don't have any. And bloating, yeah, I always used to feel bloated. All of a sudden, my stomach would very heavy,
Yeah.
as if there's air, gas, whatever it is. I don't feel it at all. I'm not exaggerating this thing, but this is fact.
That is very nice, because with our program, weight loss is one thing, but what we focus on is health improvements. And once you start eating healthy, once the body gets the right nutrition, its system is regulated, and then all these small issues also keep going. The issues that you face on a daily basis. I mean, not being able to sleep the whole night is a big thing, and that really plays havoc with the entire system. So, are you sleeping well now? Okay, very nice.
I'm getting 7 to 8 hours sleep.
Okay, okay. Very nice, very nice. From almost not sleeping to 7 to 8 hours, that's a huge improvement, and that itself will help you in conquering the weight, in addition to obviously the healthy eating part. So, can you tell me about, you've already told me about your health improvements. What are the few changes that you have seen in yourself post the program or while doing the program? In your
Most
mood, in your confidence levels, anxiety, things like those.
Yeah, actually, the most important thing is like I feel happy.
Okay.
I feel for myself, because I'm losing weight, and the
Uh,
most important for me is to be happy,
mhm,
and is through health. We get it through health. For me, health is very important, very important.
mhm,
So
mhm,
yeah, I feel happy, and I don't get tired
mhm,
actually, because in lockdown there is so much
mhm.
workload on the
Yes.
shoulder.
Yeah.
I don't feel tired, so
Mhm,
my work is going smoothly. I do it
mhm,
in time, and
mhm,
I think that is very nice feeling I'm having. I feel lighter. I feel lighter really, and I fit in my older clothes now. For the starting 5 months,
mhm,
first five, I was thinking for at least for 4 months. I'm not losing weight on
mhm,
scale showing 1 kg per month, but
mhm,
I was not feeling it. My
mhm,
clothes were not that loose, but
mhm,
now my clothes are loose. I'm
mhm,
lighter,
mhm.
and now it is. I think it has started happening to me that
Okay.
I'm losing. So
Mhm,
that was not happening for me. At least I was feeling
mhm,
like that.
mhm,
So and my health issues are improving, of course.
mhm, mhm.
So yeah, the most important thing is happiness. Happiness. So I know
Yes.
now I'm going to.
That's wonderful how you put it, because that's the most important thing anyway. We have to look at the happiness, and once you're happy, everything else around also seems happier. So you mentioned your son is 16 years old, and so has there been any lifestyle change that has been adopted by your son or your husband or other members of the family?
Yeah, after joining crew, now for the mornings,
Mhm.
plus carb, only carb. The
Okay.
first thing morning when I wake up, I have your detox drink,
Mhm.
because now
Mhm.
I'm not getting anything else. So I
Yeah.
make sure I take this detox drink. It is
Mhm.
easy to make, and
Mhm.
for, that is my
Mhm.
morning routine.
Mhm.
Then I take for breakfast protein plus carb, very
Mhm.
low carb protein,
Mhm.
a bowl of sprout or
Mhm.
one egg, and a
Mhm.
little carb. That is
Mhm.
compulsory for me. And then mid morning, I will have buttermilk if it is available, or some other drink, sattu drink, or any fruit. Then seeds like flax seeds or any kind of seed if I have, I take
Mhm.
that. And during this lockdown, so we are not able to get so vegetables and all these
Mhm.
things handy. So what I do, we have decided that we'll have rice, legume curry, or dal for
Okay.
afternoon. Yeah,
Mhm.
so I make sure we do that. But for
Mhm.
me, I am having a red rice
Mhm.
compulsory. I take that, and my husband and my son, they have not yet developed that taste. So
Mhm.
soon they will also enjoy eating this brown rice. So they are eating regular rice. For now, I'm not taking salads because of COVID. As it is mentioned, you have to boil it and all that thing. So I'm not taking that. But then my lunch, mid-morning, it is very light, something roasted thing, makhana, makhana, peanuts or khakra if I have, or mari biscuit. And night I have some vegetable preparation, or again some legume if vegetables are not available. I take one roti, that too millet roti. So before it was not hard and fast to have millet roti only, because that too if I'm hungry, I used to take, I said three also, sometimes 3.5, but not now. I'm taking not more than one for night. The carb has reduced, protein has increased, salad intake has increased, but for now, due to it, we are not taking much salads. We are not getting it. So, but then yes, the eating pattern has changed a lot. Totally. For me, it has changed totally. Now there is no craving for junk food or that taste things, chura or that kind of. I don't. Even if I feel, I just take a bite, just a bite. If I feel, but I avoid that also. So yeah, I have developed that habit. I think now I will not gain weight again.
Very good, very good. Yes, it has to be sustainable. It has to be a lifestyle change. It has to be a habit. It can't be that you'll follow it for 5 days and then wait for the sixth day to cheat. So it has to be a habit, and I'm very glad that you're adopting it as a habit. Any last thoughts? Any message you would want to share with our viewers?
See, what can I tell people? But of course, one thing I can say, health is very important. If you are healthy, you are happy. And if you are healthy, you can take care of your family, and of course yourself. So don't delay. You should take a step. You should, if you are overweight, please try to lose weight, because that is very important. Now you will invest 80 in a program, but that would be very beneficial, because you will not get any health issues, because if you are eating right, your health will be good. So if you don't want any such health issues to affect your life, I think everybody should focus on their health. And if they are overweight, they should lose weight and prove it. Because I have joined Prove It. I don't know any other program, because I said I did that. I went to dietitian also, doctors also. They told me so many things I couldn't do. But through it, I have lost. So I think others can also lose. So they should really join this program and try to lose weight and gain health, of course.
Thank you so much, Nanda, for such kind words, and we'll definitely try to help as many people as possible, and even especially in these times when immunity is so important, and also obesity has been linked to increased incidence of COVID-19. So it's extremely important now to lose weight and to improve immunity. Thank you so much for talking to me today. Stay safe and have a good day. Okay, bye bye.